Okay, we're going to start off with some marks through here. And then we're going to come back in with our eraser and we're going to erase some of those marks. I want to play around with some transparency today in this mixed media piece with a jelly plate so that we can kind of see, like, make some marks. Okay, we're working with the Golden Open acrylics today. They are fun to use on a jelly plate. I'm just gonna put down some paint. Get our roller out, and roll this out. And then I want to use some stamps. Get a nice thin layer here. This is a stamp I made the other day. So I'm just gonna stamp it in. Kind of do a little marks like that. I'm going to come back in and take some of this away. I don't want all of it in there. Just remove the parts we don't want. Okay, dirty. Okay, so let's put this down through there. Why is my thing so dirty? I do have a sheet of plastic here on the back. Pick this up. Ooh, that's fun. That's fun. I'm gonna roll out a little bit of this blue color. And I'm gonna take my color shaper and make some marks. Also gonna put some mesh in there. And this be pretty subtle. I don't want it to be too much. Okay. Cool marks through there. Love it. Skinny brayer out. Just gonna make some marks through here. I want some more mesh on that, I think. Working in pretty thin layers right now. I'm not sure what I'm doing. I had a plan. I don't know if that plan's gonna work out. So we're just kind of winging it, as we always do, right? Okay. Okay, I got a little bit of sap green here mixed up with the Nico Azo. Let's roll that out. I think this will be a fun color. I'm gonna do another one of those stamps, I think. I feel like I want it to be bolder through there. Let's flip it around. Maybe. It's not so pristine. Do we want all of that in there? Let's take some of it up here. I think those are going to be fun marks, hopefully. Ooh, look at those marks. Those are fun. Love that. Super happy with that. I love how that came out. Okay, we're gonna come back in with a little bit of our Caran d'Ache here. Just want to make a thin line of these sort of marks. We'll make the marks and then we'll add some, let them dry, and then add some matte medium, and then that will adhere onto the paper, the plate. Okay, I don't want too many of those. What happens if we use our stamp a little bit in here as well? Just to kind of make some different marks. Almost like swirly marks. I think we need some dark in there though. Is that black? Maybe not black. What about this brown? Okay, I don't want to get too complicated. I'm going to let this dry and see what we get. Okay, we're going to come in with a couple of drops of the matte medium. Get our color shaper here. You can use a brayer if you want. You can use gloss medium if you want. Use whatever you have on hand. They all work. You don't want too much of it. Just a light coat. That's just going to lift that off. I'm going to put it right through here, I think. I did add some salmon in there, some salmon color in there, because I thought it needed a little bit of pink. Get a good connection there. Okay, those marks are fun. Okay. Let me think about this. Okay, I'm going to come in with a little bit of watercolor here. I was going to use acrylic paint, but then I thought, well, let's put it. It might be nice to have a little transparency going up in here. Just a little bit of that. Maybe we could add some marks. With our utility knife. Might want to bring that down a little bit over here. We got a little bit of wax crayon going on there, so we got a little bit of resist. That's kind of fun. Yeah, I don't want too much of it, but I kind of want to bring a little bit down into this area a little bit. Okay. I'm going to come in with a little bit of this parchment color to kind of add some solid spaces. I don't want to cover everything up. That's my goal here. I just kind of want to add in some light touches of solid areas to kind of give your eyes a little bit of resting place. I'm trying to keep it pretty light today. Don't really want to, I don't know, I'm not feeling very bold today. I don't know what my deal is. I do like these marks. Let's put a little bit more through here and then come back in with ye old palette. Oh, make sure to clean your palette knife first. So that will happen. Okay. We're going to have some brown in there, apparently. Oh, I kind of like those marks through there. I'm going to add more of that. I like the scraping back in. Although I just said I wanted solid spaces, and then I just scrape back in. Solid-ish spaces. I think that just makes it merge together a little bit better. That's really nice. That was a nice combo. Do I want some up here? Maybe a few, maybe not as many, but to continue our lines. I need some down here. Possibly. Although I do like those sort of marks, but let's add a little bit of this down here too. And then scrape back in. I need to make that shape a little more. Those lines really show up once you put the white over top. I might want to bring it down just a little further, I think. I'm feeling like I want to really lean into that. This is a good way to create some more energy in here. Is it too much? I don't know. We'll find out. I can't stop. I want it to come up a little bit more through here. You guys may not even be able to see what I just did there. I'm going to dry this and we'll come back. So I have some of this color left over. Sort of olivey green. I feel like I just want to add a little bit of it. It's transparent. It's a mix of the Nico Azul Gold and the sap green from Golden Open Colors. It seemed like a natural, we already had it in spots, so I thought it would be kind of fun to add in just a little bit of that color in some spaces. Now I'm stuck. I don't know. Let's actually, what happens if I don't want to cover all this goodness up over here. But I also don't want it to look disjointed. You can't be afraid to not cover things up, is what I'm trying to say. Okay. Okay, I think I want to add just a little bit of this color through here. Maybe. That might have been a mistake. Oh, no, kind of like... Okay, I don't hate that. Oops. Let's come with a little bit of white. Caran d'Ache. Little chunky white through there. Let's add some black Caran d'Ache marks here with our deli paper. I kind of want to make some marks coming this way. I know we got a lot of marks going on. I was in a mark making mood today, which is never a bad thing. Well, like that. Well, if you need some come this way, maybe? I don't know. Maybe. Might want something a little darker through there. That's kind of fun. And maybe we need one. I can have the Caran dashes work over the acrylics really well. Might want to add some Caran dash marks, some solid marks through here. Let's add a little bit more of that ochre color. Maybe a little bit more of this lovely pink, which is fabulous. Oh yeah, that did something. I like that. Look how cool that is. Let's add a little bit more down here. And then, what? Yeah, I'm not sure. It might be done. I might keep it just like this. I think it might be done. Let me think about it for a minute. I'm gonna add just a little bit more of the straight, like dark marks through here. Kind of like how it's just sort of grazing through there. The pink and the black is a nice combo. I think it might be done. Okay, here it is with the mat. I like it. I like using the stamps on the jelly plate. I think these marks are my favorite. I like adding back in the black and then scraping away because we get these really kind of cool, unexpected textures over here. I like the, again, those marks are really fun. Yeah, the sky's all right. Like, it's fine. It's not my favorite sky I've ever made. It's a little too green for my taste, but it kind of works. It kind of feels like it all goes together. Definitely loving the Caran dash as always. Yeah, I think this is pretty successful. I really like these marks down here. I want to play around with this a little more because I feel like we can explore this just a little bit. As far as using the stamps on the jelly plate and then sort of wiping back so it's not, you know, the same exact shape that we started with. I think we can really play up that. I do like the sort of parchment color that I put in there. I think that works. Might need just a little bit. I mean, I just feel like it needs a little bit of, here, let's just do this. Let's add just a little bit. Just a little bit of white, maybe, almost. Oh yeah, I think that did something. I just needed a little bright spot there, maybe in the middle. Okay, I'll start blessing. Okay, that's all I got for you today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next week with another video. Thanks so much. Bye.